This is the Redmi Note 12 and these are some of the reasons why I believe it's a good buy in 2023. Number one, the display. So the phone has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display. The panel is AMOLED, so colors are punchy, black is deep. The display is very nice overall. And guess what? The refresh rate is 120 Hz, guys, 120 Hz. So another reason is the battery. The phone is backed by a huge 5000 mAh battery, and you get a 33 watts charger in the box, which is very great. The device lasts a day on a single charge easily, and if you're a gamer, then you definitely have a different experience. I'm not a gamer, but I do use the device to edit, and editing consumes power, but I don't think it consumes power as much as intense gaming. So if you're a gamer, your experience would differ, but this device easily lasts a day, and the fast charger is super fast. It charges this device from 0% to 100% in 1 hour and a few minutes. So another reason is the operating system, right? This phone runs on the latest Android 13 and there's MIUI 14 on top, which means this device is guaranteed to receive Android 14 and Android 15. I also love the cameras of this phone. It has a 50MP primary sensor. It's the Samsung JN1 sensor, and the front-facing camera is 13MP. The camera isn't the best, but it's decent. It does its job well. Lastly, the device has an headphone jack and it has a dedicated micro SD card slot. So these are some of the reasons why I love the Redmi Note 12 and why I believe it's a good buy in 2023. It's very affordable, very cheap. If you're on a budget, then make sure to give the Redmi Note 12 a try. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.